Are you very sensitive about gaining weight? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to show you how to lose weight in 2 weeks with a very simple recipe. The first thing you need in this recipe is your cucumber. Cut your cucumber and soak it in a white vinegar and salt water to make sure it's very clean. Then after you do this, you add up your ingredients to spice it up, and that's exactly what you're going to see me do in this video. This recipe is actually a snacking method, so in case you are someone who likes to take a lot of junk during your snacking time, you can replace it with this. So instead of you eating plantain chips and eating all of this almonds and peanuts and all of that, if you are looking forward to lose weight, you should replace your snacking time with this cucumber recipe. And if you want your weight loss journey to be very fast, make sure that you're actually doing your intermittent fasting alongside this recipe, and this is going to be as quick as within 2 weeks you see massive results. You can lose 10 kg with this recipe. So guys, focus on the recipe and watch till the end of this video. So the next recipe is a green juice recipe. With a green juice recipe, it have health benefits for people with inflammation. Also, it helps with digestion and improving your immune system. So the ingredients I'm going to be using for this particular recipe is celery, cucumber, moringa, and any green tea of your choice. You can also add lemon or apple cider vinegar. But if you are someone suffering from gastric acid reflux, please avoid using lemon or any sort of acidic fruits or ingredients. So you can watch this video, and when you are going to take this particular recipe, take it in the evening for effective results after an hour of your last meal. So the next recipe for this video is the ginger shot juice. With the ginger shot juice, the ingredients you need is your carrots, turmeric, and ginger. But as I said, if you are someone suffering from gastric acid reflux, you don't have to add any acidic ingredients like lemon or apple cider vinegar. But in this particular recipe, you are going to be adding apple cider vinegar, and you can also add cayenne pepper if you prefer it that way. So this recipe is best taken in the morning on an empty stomach with warm water to see effective results.